Okay. Now let's start with the question number 4. In the question number 4, you have given a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30, angle Z is 90, and the sum of three sides XY plus YZ plus ZX is given as 11 centimeter. What does sum of sides means? That is the perimeter of the triangle that is given 11 centimeter, and the base angle are given as 30 and 90. So let's start with the perimeter. Perimeter is, I'm writing here, perimeter is the sum of sides that is 11 centimeter, angle Y is 30 degree, angle Z is 90 degree. ये आपको गिवन है, आपने स्टार्ट करना है, आपको एक ही बेस गिवन है, सो दैट मीन्स वी विल स्टार्ट विद दैट बेस. So what you will do, actually the name of the triangle is XYZ, so you will not start with XYZ, you will start from AB. Actually तीनों साइड्स का जो सम है वो आपको 11 गिवन है, तो आप एक बेस ड्रॉ करोगे. That is AB 11 centimeter. So you will construct the base AB as 11 centimeter. Draw side by side, hurry up. Draw the base as AB. Actually the name is XYZ, but we will not start from XYZ. We will get a triangle XYZ here in the middle of this line. So that's why we are not giving the base as XY or YZ or ZX name, because we will get a triangle on this line somewhere on the upper side of this line, means like this. We will get that triangle, or we will get like this. So we can't start from XY. So I have drawn the base as AB, that is 11 centimeter. Now what you will do, base we have drawn. Now the next turn is of angle Y, that is 30 degree. So you will draw angle 30 degree on this side and angle 90 degree. Actually two base angles are given. So you will start 30 degree on this corner and 90 degree on the another corner of this baseline. So how you will draw 30? You will draw a semicircle. From the first point, if I mark 60, so that is your rough angle. So I'm drawing a dotted line. Make the half of this. Actually 30 is your main angle. So you will draw 30 degree here. Draw this 30 degree angle. I have made the bisector of this angle 60. Now the next thing is, you will draw 90 degree at the another corner. Make semicircle. ये काफी ज्यादा गैप लग रहा है, 11 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा मैं थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर रही हूँ एक्चुअली. एक मिनट. Let's make the angle of 90 degree at the another corner. 60, 120, then 90. This is your 90 degree. The angles that were given to you, I have drawn both the angles 30 degree as well as 90 degree. Okay. Now the main step is what you will do. The base angle which were given, we have already drawn. Now you will make the perpendicular angle bisector, not perpendicular bisector. You will draw the angle bisector of these two. 30 का भी half करेंगे, 90 का भी half करेंगे, and where they will meet each other, that will gives you point X. Why X? Because Y and Z are already given. X is missing there. So when you will draw the angle bisector of these two, they will surely intersect at X. Now, how will you draw the angle bisector of these two? You will put the arc from both the corners by taking the radius equal to half of this. You will draw this angle. And You will draw the angle bisector of 90 from these 2 points. They will intersect like this. So this point is surely your X. X 30 डिग्री का हाफ कर दिया, ये आ गया एंगल आपके पास. अगर आपने नेम देने हैं तो आप नेम दे सकते हो, ठीक है. 30 का हाफ, 90 का हाफ कर दिया आपने. दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट X. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, पहले आप इतना कर लो, आई एम वेटिंग, उसके बाद 2 स्टेप और रह गए हैं. नाउ द next step is to make the perpendicular bisector of AX and BX that will gives you Y and Z. Make the perpendicular bisector of the line AX. You will take the radius equal to half of AX or more than equal to half of AX. So from A and from X, you will draw the arc like this. इस तरह से पास करेंगे. And this line is intersecting the baseline AB at this point. This is your Y. Actually इस साइड पे आपने 30 डिग्री बनाया था और Y कितना था 30. So on this side you will get Y and you will again make the perpendicular bisector of BX from B and X. This is your Z. After constructing the perpendicular bisector of AX and BX, you will get 2 points on the baseline, that is your Y and Z. Let's join XY and XZ so that you will get a right angle triangle. And if you measure this angle, this will be 30 degree as it was given in the question. And this angle must be 90. You will get this straight line. So this is your right angle triangle XYZ. Yes.
Ma'am, XY is
4.5.
4.5.
1 by 1.
YZ 4.
Wait. XY is
4.5.
4.
2.3. 4.
4 and this is
2.3.
4.3. Measure this properly.
2.
मैम ये पूरी 4 है.
और ये 4.5.
मैम लास्ट वाली 2.5 है.
लास्ट वाली
2.5.
2.5.
मैम 4.5, 4 and 2.5.
Okay, add them. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10 and 0.5 will become 1, that is your 11 centimeter. Now, bache, you can write the steps. I'm again repeating how we have written this, how we have drawn this. So firstly, we have constructed the base 11 centimeter as it was given as the perimeter. So I have drawn the base AB as 11 centimeter and 2 base angle 30 degree and 90 degree were given. So on the one corner of the base, I have drawn 30 degree and on the another corner 90 degree. Then we have made the angle bisector of these two angles. 30 has been divided into 15 and 90 has been divided into 45. So wherever these two angle bisector are meeting each other, this point is your X. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of AX and BX, and these two perpendicular bisector are meeting the line at 2 different points. I have given this point as Y because on this side your 30 degree angle is there. I have written it as 90 because on this side I have drawn 90 degree. So you have joined X, Y and XZ to get a right angle triangle, and you can measure the length of each line AB, sorry, XY, YZ and ZX, and we have got that the sum of these three sides is 11 centimeter. So this shows that we have constructed in a right manner. We can do one more question of the similar type. Please write down the question. Write down the question. One example I am discussing. Construct a triangle ABC. This is your example. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is 60. Stop searching for the question. Write down the question. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is 60, angle C is 45, angle B is 60, angle C is 45, and the sum of three sides AB, BC and CA is 11 centimeter. The sum of three sides, that is perimeter, is given to be 11 centimeter, and the base angle that are given to you as 60 degree and 45 degree. Now you will draw this in the same manner. Justification will be also same. So what you will do, actually the name of the triangle is ABC. So you will not start from AB or BC or CA. You will start from XY this time. So you will draw the base XY as 11 centimeter. That is the perimeter of the triangle. Got it? Now the next thing is you will draw 60 degree on one corner, 45 degree on the another corner. How you will draw 60 degree? You will make a semicircle. You will put the first arc that is surely of your 60 degree. And on the another side, you will draw 45 degree by making the half of 90. So let's draw 90 degree first. 90 degree is just for helping you. So you can draw the dotted line for this also. Make 45 degree by making the half of this. Don't make mistake beta, we have just drawn the base angle that were given. अब जो इसका angle bisector करोगे, that will give you the missing point. B and C is given, so that will give you A point. Got it? So this I have drawn same angles that were given, 60 degree and 45 degree. Don't make mistake that they will cut each other at A. They will not cut each other at A. Their angle bisector where they meet each other, that will be your point A. Beta, next step is you will make the angle bisector of these two base angle half of 60 from this corner point and this point, 0 degree and 60 degree. You will make the half of these two angles. They will give you 30 degree. Now, make the half of 45 degree that we have already done in the first exercise. Half of 45 degree is 22 and a half. So make half of 45 degree by making the angle bisector of these two, and they will cut each other at this point. And this point is your A. This point is your A. Yes, can you tell me the next step? Angle bisector कर लिया आपने, and the angle bisector of these two is meeting at the point A. Now let's draw the perpendicular bisector of AX from the point A and X by taking the radius equal to half or more than half of AX. So from these 2 points, this point is your B. Now make perpendicular bisector of AY by again taking the radius equal to half of AY or more than half of AY. This angle is your 30, this will be 45. Not sure that which type of figure you will be getting. So this point is your C. You can write the justification for this by measuring the length of AB, BC, and AB, measure AB, BC, and CA to check that the sum of three sides of the triangle is 11 centimeter.